In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to change your GitHub username. This is useful if you're rebranding your profile or simply want to use a different username. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, look toward the upper right corner of the screen and click on your profile avatar. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Once you are in the Settings area, look at the left sidebar and click on Account. This section contains important settings related to your GitHub account. Now, look for the Change Username option and click on it. GitHub will show you some important information about changing your username, including how it can affect your repositories and existing links. Review this information carefully, and when you're ready, click I understand. Let's change my username. Next, enter the new username you want to use. Make sure the username follows GitHub's requirements and is available. Once you've entered your new username, click Change My Username to confirm the change. GitHub will process the request and update your username. Your new username will now be used across your GitHub profile and account. And that's it. You've successfully changed your GitHub username. Thanks for watching.